Lenge Khamsang, Taring Kinye do Sega Pepper Ding Lenge Samalolga Sushi, Taring Mansuki, Tingsan Chardu Gitu Insang, Chardu the Dewa Yugi, Injit Sikchu Jangi, Lenge Sola Tik Chipuja Masitsiki, Pa Jobashna Luwarajine, and the condition you made the Kisiling to Dig can do by into Mutinisirana, Tingan like Kisiling on the channel told him a Tambo Petro Shaduna, Khamsang, Yaming like Kizum see you, and to do that about Peget on the Injijan, Yendunga Tangure, Lengus Pegation Yopadam, Peget on the Injijan Deopaina, Injing channel to subscribe na nyendung le gi tizu disa dawan ne pasang chido chido shide chege to langaran channel to liure laso tagozugi laso lenge tik thangbo de nganzo rainfall sedu sambole charsho le yure jobash nang party warajina heavy rainfall in the mountain caused the flood. Rigi gang la chawa shuk chumbu papati ke chulo gyaba soy sungs. Niba humidity sedu sambola shanse. In the 80% humidity, sweats pour from my forehead. Shanse gacha kechus yo pickup sila nye ki forehead nye ki thupa dine muna tsitsir jitheni gi dus. Sumpa sunny sedu nimatho. The weather today is surprisingly warm and sunny. Taring namshi di ken chao chigla chig tro da nima chao do jidus. Keja di khwal kharulana usually thinti me bachicha, but today the weather is surprisingly warm and sunny. Tini shipati flood sedu sambola chulo. The bridge was destroyed by the flood. Chulo digi samba di bat khora torshi tangshasus me basosungs. Tsiknawa di rainbow sedu sambola ja. Jobash nang pati warajina, all the children ran outside to see the rainbow. Tubu sangma ja daya chidula chilo la yuksha le ni dosungs. Tsik tukpa di windy sedu sambola lakpa chao. Jobash nang pati warajina, it was a windy night and the sky was filled with clouds. O the tsemu di bat lakpa chao ya de yogi tsemu chida namna yata warajina timba keng dishas. Tsik dimba di thunder sedu sambola duke. There was frequent thunder and lightning and heavy rainfall. Karachisu tidu kapsudela chik duke pe mangbuya lightning lo ma dichi lo th dwara diche ani chawashuk chumbu pe phap dishas. There was frequent thunder, lightning and heavy rainfall. Laso lengeta thine chik jama di hail sena sera. The crops have been destroyed or damaged by hail. Karichire tendo dige changma seragi bat nogen dangshasu torshi dangshasu damaged thola dangshasus. The crops have been damaged or destroyed by hail. Tsikwa di landslide sedu tambola saru. Jobash nang pati warajina, the road was blocked by a landslide. Karisigur la warajina lamga di saru chungwe kengi kashashas block chadus. Kandes, the road was blocked by a landslide. Tadine tsik chuba thama di cloudy. Cloud lena timba redwa, cloudy sena tingbe ta timshayo adila cloudy. Jobash nang pati warajina, it was cloudy, but at least it was not raining. Timba gita timde dus, thangma timba rojire dus ine at least khari mindu la warajina, chawada phagi mindu lechurwa, khandire la warajina. It was cloudy, but at least it was not raining. Laso lengeta tharing anju ki chikchu ta gyo sangma ngel hengi so chedala de la ker tu chik shagi indro an lengi so ki tige chisine kone so ki thangma chik lo ache tunda khari imba di samna tangi che ache an kisi ko machu wa roji baina yang ger nyindung de kone tuschniya tawarajina pendo gore samgitu laso Laso linge taring ginyen tung dirang sami taring ginyen tung linge chola pen thokpo thokto do chungyo ni rawa chingiye ma pengen la subscribe na yue na injik subscribe na ni pero na ajama ingen dus na linge sama kyar tu je rawa chingiye tiba do linge sangma chabu chingi shuru na ngancing yem do inji jani shuru na